Challenge now we are going to choose actually what we will take purchase right now, what we will have. There are a lot of burgers, samosas, and when bread and parota, eggs, chicken, egg rolls. And there my brother is sitting already. Ma jana ge koi tum. He's sitting, and I came second or third time. Earlier I used to come with my friend. Okay, so finally right now we are going to have juice as well. We over there I choose. I was trying to choose it, but I haven't get it many different kinds of foods. But whatever is there was available, so everything we are getting in our place. I mean in our ashram, there we are getting everything. So juice also, pineapple we are getting daily, but juice we don't get proper. We don't get it. But yeah, if anybody wants to have juice, so they can make it with help of mixture. So over there. Okay, so I was also making sometimes. I was telling to kitchen master Jacha to make it juice for me, and mangoes, banana as well, banana actually that means banana juice as well. I can say beetroot, that one also. Everything I had it, but now I asked to my brother. Right now I asked my brother just try to tell us that which one we will have right now. So right now he told that we will have that one pineapple juice. Rarely I am having. Actually I haven't visited till now since when he started working in my place. So first or second times he visited, and right now he came with me. And I don't know how much time they will take it for preparing that one pineapple juice. And we wanted to take slippers for me, but we over there we were looking, searching that shop, but we didn't get it anywhere. So the reason tomorrow, day after tomorrow, today also while going time, if we get it anywhere, so we will try to purchase from there. Okay. So while coming time, that time also I was making vlogging videos. So what happened here? While coming time on the way, there were a lot of people as well. When I started speaking in English language, so at that time, all people they started to staring me. I was being stared as well asked related to my YouTube name. The name of YouTube, like that. And I told maybe 5 or 2 minutes I spent it with those are people, those are persons. Okay, so over there they started searching on Google, YouTube. So got it after listening to my voice, after watching my videos, by observing about me how I spoke it on the video, and after that they started telling that, oh my god, you speak very well English. So why do I here just try to do work in another sector, like that I was told. Okay, but after observing, after spending some times with them, so I also felt it that yeah, I can do work in different sector. But as I told you that I will do, but not now. Maybe after later on I will try to do work in another sector, another company. Okay. So still we are waiting for our order, whatever we had given to shopkeeper helpers. So they are preparing right now. You must be getting behind my brother. They were standing person. Actually, they were preparing something, making something. Okay. So okay, so right now I was making videos. So at that time my brother told me that always time you are speaking, you are not letting me speak. Okay, you are not making me speak. So right now I'm going to have communication. I will try to do it. Okay, but as I told you, my brother, he is not educated. Maybe 6 or 7 class he has completed. Okay, he completed 7 class. So right now, do you can you speak something related to you, that which kinds of work are you doing? Okay,
I don't know that we speak the something little English I heard. No, this very hard. After I something this little after job is
Learned
I
it.
don't know like this. Yeah.
Okay, so he wants to say that he was telling that when he started a job in
Talsari.
Talsari, he was working in that place, Talsari. So over that, many times he had been asked in English language. So over that, because completely right now how he spoke it, you must have observed about my brother how he speaks. So he was speaking like that. Okay, so after over there he felt it that yeah, English is much important. After that he started learning, and right now like he is not unable to make it a sentence put the verb he to or verb three verb one like that. But it's okay. Whatever he wants to say, opposite person he can get it everything. He will understand everything like that. Okay, so even now also we are waiting. But how much time they will take for preparing those are things what we have ordered. Okay, so like that you will have to do. Like that you will have to do until you will try to speak in crowd area or public place, you can't get it anything. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you as much as possible, just try to speak, just try to speak yourself in public place, crowd place, then only you will be able to speak English. Yeah, earlier I used to, I was very shy, I was unable to speak in public place. Always time I was thinking, oh my god, what people will think about me. While speaking time, if I make anywhere mistake, so what people will think about me, they will start to laugh at me. Okay, so when I was trying to make a vlog video in public place, at that time if there were someone, so at that time I wouldn't make videos. If I say that nobody is there on the way, so at that time just I remove my phone from the pocket as well, try to make it. And suddenly if anybody comes, so that time I stop. I used to stop like that. Okay, so after later on, and many people were there, they started to laugh at me. Okay, and finally I decided that okay, how much time, how long I will try to do like that. It means that no need to feel shy, and whatever I know, and I will try to so I will try to make videos in public place, and that's how I have built it my communication as well. I built it making blog in public place. Okay, so that's why whatever I had observed it, and right now also I am observing that it is a good habit. If anybody doesn't have any kinds of environment or practice partner or environment, no need to worry, and just try to make it blog. By blogging you can get it with fluency as well. You can get rid of your fearness, and you will get it confidence. Okay, as much as possible, just try to do it like that. Okay, and yeah, I was not accepting that previous videos what I was telling that what people will think, Kerala people will think about me. I was thinking when I started making blogging, suddenly all people started staring me. I thought that oh my god, if anybody comes or tells or try to fight with me, what will I do? So at that time I made it my mind that if anybody happens, I will have to face it. Okay, so like that I done it, and finally I made it, and over there it was very good response from public as well, with whom I interacted, with whom on the way I had interacted with them. So I was appreciated as well, told that just keep doing as you are making blog, as you are speaking. That's how you can get your fluency. You will be able to speak in an articulate manner like that. And I asked okay person, you are telling like that I will be able to speak very fluently, so tell me that do you have time to have a session with me, like a few minutes, 10 minutes? Yeah, right now we were given. Yeah, okay, so here I would like to make you understand that basic. basic that basic, like as I told you that we were being given this pineapple juice. Okay, so I don't know how much they will charge it, and I think according to me it would be 40 or 20 rupees per glass, like that. And there is a shopkeeper is sitting over there, and I gave order to that that person that we wanna have a juice. And finally right now we got it, and my brother is ready to have. And yeah, finally he is having. So could you please tell me brother, how is the tasty of this pineapple juice?
Very
Is it
tasty.
okay? Very tasty.
Yes, yes.
Okay, do you like it?
Yeah, like
Okay, so let me let me check it how they have prepared. If they made it very well, tasty. So again and again I'll try to hang out with my brothers, hang out with my friends. Okay, it's time to it's my time to check it. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. Okay. So actually I wanted to have another things. I mean, except the juice. After my brother told me that we were wandering, everywhere, maybe 1 hour. So just because completely we are tired, and while wandering at that time, wheat was coming from our body. So told me that we will try to have a juice. After later on we will feel very fresh like that, and as well cold.
I chicken candy. Now what are you doing there?
अच्छा निके जाना
Same jaman. Meet about.
Okay, I am asking to him that if you wanna, if you wanna take something, to just try to tell me. That he is telling that completely my stomach is full. So while coming time, we had a lot of things. I told to him that you will not get it this kind of chance with me having anything. Completely we finished it, and right now we are going to pay. I don't know how much they will charge it. कितना हुआ? कितना हुआ? 140. Okay, so per glass, each glass, it means each glass 70 rupees. So right now I'm going to pay 170. Ini muka tolong. 170, and I don't have change, so right now I'm going to give him 500. Okay, so okay. Yo mamna?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken. I practice. No, papello. This.
Wait. Let me show your face. Okay, now you can say.
I skimmed as this. I here have the buffalo.
Okay.
After I do this, not eating. After like this.
Don't afraid. Whatever comes in your mind, just try to speak it. Okay. My viewers, their subscribers, they know that you are good first time. Okay.
Like this.
Leg piece.
Yes.
You wanna have leg piece?
Yes.
You wanna have jangan benda?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Gitu.
Yes.
Ini terang.
Yeah.
Ini terang sa atin mo.
I did right.
Ini terang lang.
Yes.
Okay. So tell us that, sir. What about that one leg piece? How much
80,
one piece? 80. 80. So 2 legs piece. 2 legs piece. And just try to warm it. Okay. Later then we will try to. No. Parcel.
Parcel.
गरम कर दीजिएगा सर. Okay.
I not eating this
Buffalo.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I got it. Now I got it actually what he wanted to say, what he wanted to make me understand. So right now I got it. That what actually. Sir, garam कीजिएगा थोड़ा. Little bit just try to make it warm. Hot कर दीजिए. Now we are going to calculate how much money it means per. We are today we took two leg piece of chicken leg piece. उसका स्पेशली वर्ड है यार, वो हम भूल के हैं. उसको ड्रम आई थिंक या ड्रम we took drum. Okay, so for each leg piece 18 piece. So we had two juice as well. Recently we took two legs, chicken legs. So how much you had? 170 juice. Yes. And 160 leg. Okay, thank you sir. Okay. 300? 300 है ना? कितने नहीं हुए?
तीन
हाँ.
प्लस
80 मीटर 80 सर 816 मीटर साइड
एक्सरसाइज है
हाँ बता दे. We had recently two pineapple juice as well. We took two leg piece, chicken leg piece. That one we were told 160 rupees and four juice 170. So total there was we calculated, so there we got 330. But 330 they gave it limited discount. So only they asked us 300 rupees. So we paid. And right now I was given 200 rupees out of 500.